Luna, how pretty are you, huh? It fits. It's reflective. It's got a nice tall neck to protect your neck, or we can fold it down and then you look cute. Of course, it's got the zipper, but we never use that. That's to access. Oh, you can carry your own poop. And it fits pretty well up here. Look at all of that good, 3 inches of coverage there. And then, what is this? Oh my gosh, like 4 inches of coverage there. That's pretty good. Yeah, I think that's pretty good. Oh, and show Daddy the racing straps. Hide her side of the butt so she can still poop. We got a winner. Luna! Okay.